Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Oblong Polka Dots and my name is Kerr, and on this channel we talk about makeup, skincare, and beauty. So, if that's something you're into, you've come to the right place. Hola a todos y bienvenidos a mi canal Oblong Polka Dots. Me llamo Kerr y en este canal hablamos de maquillaje, cuidado de piel y belleza. Entonces, si eso es algo que te gusta, has venido al lugar correcto. Today, I have a haul from a Nigerian brand by way of China, and it is called A New Wow. This is the information for the brand here. I've definitely shopped with this brand before, and if you're ever wondering where my head wraps come from, it comes from this brand. So I wanted to share with you the wraps that I ended up buying. I tend to go onto their site and purchase quite a few wraps at once because the shipping does take a while. So instead of just like buying like 1 or 2 wraps, I'll buy, maybe 5 or 10, and then I'll be stocked up for a hot minute. So let's see. Here's the first one. Some of them are made with a fabric that is like more of a stiff cotton, and other ones, most of mine anyways, are made with a fabric that's a bit softer or more satiny. Either way, the bonnet that comes with the wrap, and I'll show you how this works too, just so you get an idea of it. They all are satin lined. So I'll show you the inside like that. And this is what I mean. It has like a little string on it. So I'll do a quick little demo for you guys so you can just see. So I normally will take my hair and I'll just put it to the top of my head and I'll start kind of like wrapping it around. And then when I get sort of a bun at the top, I will grab the wrap and I'll put it on so that the string part is to the back. And then I'll kind of organize it a little bit so my hair is tucked in as much as possible. But I don't take the cap and let it go over my ear. I keep the cap behind my ear because I don't want my ears to get sore throughout the day. And then I'm going to take the strings, or I guess it's not string, is it? It's like a ribbon. And I'm going to bring it around flat. So it's flat on the side of my head. And it's coming up just up to the rim of the cap. And you bring it into the front. And all you're going to do is cross it over once. And then cross it over one more time. So it looks like there's a little knot in the front there. And then you're going to take it flat and you're going to bring it back around. And in the back of your head, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to feel for it, right? So you're going to cross it once and then you're going to cross it a second time. The best advice I can give you is don't do it tight, especially if you want to wear it for the whole day, because it will make your head sore. And then I did it again in the front. And once you're done, you're just going to take it and you're going to tuck the loose ends in underneath where you wrapped it. And then, obviously you can take it and organize it and make it look nice, and you can feel for it in the back, or you can grab a mirror and look at it from the back. But see how easy that is, you guys? Not only is it easy, but it looks nice. It looks neat, organized, it's pretty. I love stuff like this because it's simple, yet it looks really regal, it looks elegant. Yeah, so let me show you the other ones that I got. Since I already wrapped this one on, you can see what that looks like. Real easy, huh? So here is another one. I've been looking at this one for a while. I really like the pattern. I'll take it out so you don't have that reflection so much, or at least I'll take part of it out because I want to stick these back in until I'm ready to use them. So that's what that looks like. It's nice and vibrant. It's really pretty. I think a lot of the pattern options that they have do suit many people, but if you're one of those people that does not like patterns or anything like that, she does have the wraps that are just plain. So I think she has like yellow and brown and black and some other colors that are just plain. So I myself though, I do like the patterns that she has. So that's why the vast majority of the wraps that I have do have a pattern. this one in the yellow and green. I have one that's similar to this already. I've worn it before and it's got yellow and blue, so that's why I grabbed that one. And then let me show you the other ones. I don't know how I even discovered this brand. I feel like originally, like years ago, it had popped up on my Facebook feed, and I thought, okay, I don't know these guys, maybe not. And then I started seeing people's comments, and they were like, oh, I love it, I love it. And then I saw some other comments where they were like, oh, I ordered mine and I haven't received it, and blah, blah, blah. Well, her shipping takes like a month. So, you know, I would be interested to see if people ever came back on and corrected themselves and said they received their product. Just know, if you order, it's going to take over a month. So that's what this one's really pretty. I love that blue and that pink and the purple together. That's going to be really nice for spring. And then again, sticking with the theme of blue, I love blue. So green's my favorite color, but I also think that I do well with blue just because of my complexion. I think I can carry blue well. And then this one right here, I already have one that's black and white, but I wanted this one because it has a different pattern. I really love that one. I wear it all the time. And then this one right here, again, good for spring and summer because it's bright and cheery. So the way that I care for my wraps is I do wash them, but I wash them separately. I make sure that it's on gentle, and I wash them in a garment bag. This one is just black, by the way. This one's just plain black. And so, you know, don't bleach it or anything like that because they'll fade. And that's it. Once you have it in your garment bag and you finish washing it, you can put it in the dryer on low and just let it dry. And it'll be good to go. And this one is just plain yellow. So yeah, I've been using these wraps for years. I absolutely love them. I think that the price is right. They often have sales. And so, as I mentioned, when I do buy them, I just buy several at a time. I've given a lot of these away to people and they've really enjoyed them. So hopefully this will help you if you are interested in buying a wrap or you wanted to know more about where you could get some from a reputable company and a wrap that's really easy to use. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate your time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.